Do you struggle with making software project cost and schedule decisions when it's very early in the planning process? Maybe you've had a project that lost a lot of money, or maybe you lost a customer because your project was delivered late. These problems are often caused by bad estimates. What makes estimates bad? They're not based on historical data. Estimates are more reliable when they're data-driven. Defensible estimates can save development teams a lot of time and money. This is why at QSM we encourage our clients to capture their history and then leverage it early in their planning process. Very little data is actually required to leverage a completed project's history. You just need to capture the functionality delivered, the total effort, and the total duration. Once you capture this information, you can calculate a productivity index, or PI, which is a measure of productivity for the overall project or release. The PI takes into account things like experience level of the team, complexity of the work delivered, and maturity of the process. You can actually load your history into QSM's estimation tool, Slim Estimate, to generate better estimates. You can sanity check cost and schedule estimates against known performance and identify unrealistic expectations. If you look at the scatter plot here, this blue data point is the estimate that you've run. You can see if it's realistic compared to your history and the QSM industry trends. The real value is that you can do this before any detailed planning takes place to make sure you understand the big picture before you make important decisions. This is just an example of best practices QSM can help you implement to improve your project and portfolio estimates. If you're interested in learning more, contact us for a demo today.